let's understand the thought process for solving heights and distances questions. Now our case 1 is static object questions. सबसे पहले भाई इंटरप्रेट एंड ड्रॉ द करेक्ट डायग्राम. अगर यही स्टेप नहीं हुआ तो ऑल द रिमेनिंग स्टेप्स आर इररेलेवेंट. सो गाइस प्लीज, स्टेप नंबर 1, इंटरप्रेट एंड ड्रॉ द करेक्ट डायग्राम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ वंस वी गेट द फिगर, सपोज ये फिगर है ट्रायंगल ए बी सी एंड ट्रायंगल ए बी डी, बोथ आर राइट ट्रायंगल्स. आई नीड टू फाइंड दिस बी सी. सपोज सिर्फ ये गिवन है, तो आई विल राइट ऑल द tan रिलेशंस ऑफ दिस फिगर. तो कैन आई से tan 60 इक्वल टू ए बी बाय 5 एंड tan 45 will be AB by BC. Will be AB by BC. Now see here, यहाँ पे unknown AB है. In this, I have AB and BC. If I just observe both the relations, I can say कि AB first part से निकाल के second part में if I put, then BC का value can be found. Now for the third step, if in the figure we see कि hypotenuse side is asked or given, which is a very rare question in ICSE, we will have to use sine and cos wala relation. Because see, in the step number 2, I am always using tan connection for 90% of ICSE heights and distances questions. But in step number 3, if they ask about hypotenuse or hypotenuse side is given in the data, तो मुझे sometimes I will need sine and cos wala relations in my right triangles. Now for case 2 type of questions, which is speed and distance questions, what they will say is a particular body is moving with unknown uniform speed. We will take it as x meter per minute or respective values, and they will also say कि this point to this point का कितना time taken by this body. So I will assume that unknown time as t. Now to write the length of these sides in terms of distance, I will use relation distance is equal to speed into time. If you look at this scenario, suppose from point D to point C, the object is taking 15 minutes time, and from point C to point B, I don't know that time, so I will take it as t minutes. So can I write CD as speed into time is 15, so this becomes 15x, and I can write BC as speed into time is unknown t, so this becomes t times x. Now for step number 3, after my figure has been formed and I have written the length of sides in terms of speed into time and speed into time, I will write my respective tan relations. So सबसे पहले tan 60 will be AB upon BC, which is t times x, and tan 45 will be AB upon side BD is 15x plus tx, 15x plus tx. The main thing in this is to solve these two respective equations. If I see carefully AB and AB, this x can be taken common, it will be 15 plus t. So I will first find value of AB from first equation. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to AB by tx. AB is coming as root 3 times tx. Now I will put this in second part. Tan 45 is 1, AB will be root 3 times tx. Now नीचे में if I write 15 plus t whole bracket, I can take x as common. Now if you see carefully, this x and this x will get cancelled. So I am getting 1 equal to root 3 times t upon 15 plus t. If I solve this further, 15 plus t equal to root 3 times t. If I solve this, t will come as 15 by root 3 minus 1. Of course, you will have to further rationalize it, but the logic here is, can you guys see this assumed uniform speed x and x is getting cancelled here? So my point number 4 is that unknown uniform speed, when we have to find that unknown time t, will eventually get cancelled in my equations. And sometimes if all the time values are given, then I can find my unknown uniform speed. So to sum the entire process up, which is my point number 4, while solving for unknown time t, the unknown uniform speed variable x gets cancelled out. And they can give you one more question where they will mention all the time values, and we can find the unknown uniform speed x, of course, by writing all the trigonometric tan equations for all the right angled triangles.
Solving problem of photo lets you notebook app together, the momentary doubt. I'm solving problems one beat at a time. ICSE math is a puzzle, and the solution is mine. And the solution is mine. And the solution is mine.